Hello friends! Want to make the most irresistible bacon and egg sandwich for breakfast? Let's dive in. Take 2 slices of bread and for the first one, use a glass to cut a perfect circle out of the center. These will hold the egg yolks later. Now it's time to build our sandwich. Spread a generous layer of your favorite cream cheese onto a second slice of bread. Then layer on 1 or 2 slices of ham for that savory touch, and top it off with a slice of cheddar cheese for the perfect melty finish. Next, take a strip of bacon and cut it in half, or use 2 smaller strips. The goal is to have bacon strips about 1 inch or 3 centimeters wide, perfect for tying up our sandwich. Let's assemble our sandwich. Take a strip of bacon, fold it in half, and place it at the center of the sandwich. Straighten the strip as you spread it across the top, then gently tuck the ends between the slices of bread. Don't push it too far, as the bacon will stretch as it cooks. Repeat the process with the second strip, laying it crosswise over the first for a secure and even wrap. In a small bowl, crack 1 egg and lightly beat it to break up the yolk. Next, chop about 1 tablespoon, 15 grams, of fresh dill and grate about 3 tablespoons, 30 grams, of cheese. You can also use pre-grated cheese if you prefer. Add the dill and cheese to the egg and mix everything together. This creamy topping will take your sandwiches to the next level. Brush the egg mixture generously over the edges and top of the sandwich. This will create a golden, flavorful crust as it cooks, adding the perfect finishing touch to your creation. Place them on the rack of your air fryer. Set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and cook for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, carefully open the air fryer. If the bacon strips have stretched out, gently loosen their ends with a spoon or fork. Now, the main part, carefully place an egg yolk right in the center of the sandwich. Close the air fryer and let it finish cooking. And there you have it. Our delicious bacon and egg sandwich is ready. Golden, crispy, and bubbling with flavor. It's the perfect choice for breakfast or a filling snack on a hike, keeping you energized for any activity. Stay tuned for more amazing air fryer breakfast recipes coming soon. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.